Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to add friends on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game through the right client. And as you launch the game, it takes a while to load. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as your game launches, all you have to do is look at your right for this menu option, and as you see it, go right here and click on this option like this. And as you click it, all you have to do is just type the player name right here and click on the option add friend and click on done. So guys, that's how you add friends on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.